Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play the green light, red light, green light game in Grow a Garden. So right now I'm just going to walk here. Gosh, this is so nerve-wracking, honestly. You're just going to go when there's obviously green light and you'll get a prize at the end. So just be careful. I'm very careful at this game because once it turns around, you have to go back and you only have 2 minutes. So I say just take it nice and slow. Okay. One more round and I'll be good. Yay! I got the stoplight cosmetic. And that is basically how you can play this round of like admin abuse. Also you got these two cosmetics here. I already got one, but it happened 2 times. So this is the cosmetic that you get, the kind of like light traffic light cosmetic. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.